Imagine you leave a simple wooden ladder outside your house, and then, for the next 300 years, no one is allowed to move it, even by a millimeter. Doesn't that sound pretty absurd? And yet, this is real. It exists at one of the holiest Christian sites in the world, the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. In a moment, we will see this famous so-called immovable ladder. Have you heard of it? Come with me into the church courtyard. From there, we can see it. It has been standing here for more than 300 years. Why is it there? And why was it never moved? This has to do with responsibilities inside the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre is not administered by a single church. There are 6 communities here: Greek Orthodox, Armenian Apostolic, Roman Catholic, as well as Coptic Orthodox, Syriac Orthodox, and Ethiopian Orthodox. And because they were often in disagreement throughout history, a strict rule applies here: the status quo. In other words, nothing in the building, its structure, or its furnishings may be changed unless all 6 groups agree. This affects major things, like the renovation work you can see here on the right side, but also seemingly unimportant details on the façade. Do you see the ladder? Let's zoom in. It stands outside, under the right window on the 2nd level of the façade. It has been there for so long that it already appears in an engraving from 1728. At some point in the early 18th century, a worker likely forgot it there. But because moving the ladder would be a visible change, you would need the consent of all 6 communities to remove it. That never happened in 3 centuries, so it simply remains there. This ladder is often mentioned as an example that the communities find it difficult to agree. But perhaps by now it is also simply the case that no one, no denomination, wants to move this ladder anymore. It belongs to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, and perhaps it should remain there. What is your opinion? Should the ladder finally be removed? Does it bother you? Or should it stay? Thank you for watching. If you are interested in Christian holy sites and their history, you are warmly invited to subscribe to my channel.